Welcome to the Thompson Houston, the newest addition to the Thompson Hotel line, which opened on February 14, 2024. It features 172 contemporary rooms, including 34 luxury suites, multiple restaurants, one of the city's largest rooftop pool decks, a full-service spa, and its own heliport. This 36-story architectural marvel is right beside Buffalo Bayou Park and makes it perfectly positioned to explore the city with various walking and biking trails nearby. The contemporary lobby is located on the 7th floor and is highlighted by gorgeous views of downtown Houston.
We are at the Thompson in Houston, Texas. Let's take a look at our standard king room. So this hotel just opened a couple of weeks ago, so it's brand new. So on the right side, as soon as you walk in, is a large spacious bathroom. Take a look at that bright mirror. And there's a bowl here. I'm not sure what that's for. And your standard bowl maker products that we're used to at all the Thompsons we've stayed at. There's a toilet and the single sink vanity with the big circular mirror and a large walk-in shower. Take a look at that, it's very spacious. And the bowl maker products, again. So there's a large mirror in the hallway as you enter the room. But first, let's take a look at the closet. It's your normal closet. We have all our stuff here. We don't have a lot of stuff because we're just here for the weekend. And some storage here. There's some slippers and there's a steamer. So the slippers and steamer. And down here is a safe. Actually, there's a robe here too. And you can take this home for 150 bucks. And an umbrella as well. And you can take this home for 35 bucks. Now let's take a look at the king size bed. And look at all the art pieces they have above the bed. That looks pretty cool. That's how all Thompson properties are. They have that retro looking art. And here, right here is below the TV. So there's a big screen TV. And right below it is some more storage. Let's open this up. Small drawers also. Here's a charging station. And they gave us a menu of the restaurant, Soul 7. And the mini bar menu. I'll show you the mini bar in a little bit. So here's a little sofa with a small table. And a Bluetooth speaker. And what does this say? It just says welcome. Just telling you about the property because it's brand new. Let's take a look at the mini bar. It's inside this cabinet. So they have a bunch of snacks here for purchase. They're all up there. And they have 4 bottles of some small wine here. There's an espresso coffee maker. And the coffee, the espresso pods are in there. And down here is where the drinks are. Let's see. They have a bunch of liquor here and some sodas. This is just additional storage. And let's take a look at our view. So it's close to a residential area, so you can see all these houses there and a view of downtown Houston. And there's a park over here. So we'll check out that park either today or tomorrow. And that is a quick tour of our standard king room here at the Thompson in Houston, Texas.
Hotel staff also dropped off this can cooler and a couple of sunglasses to welcome us. Soul 7 is a restaurant and bar located right beside the lobby, and it was the only dining option open during our stay. It features mostly American dishes and is open daily from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. It's an open-air dining concept with indoor as well as a large outdoor space overlooking the pool and downtown Houston. We started off with a refreshing green smoothie for breakfast. For our main entrees, we both ordered the steak and eggs, which came with this delicious skirt steak, 2 eggs, and fried potatoes. However, there was miscommunication concerning globalist breakfast benefits that we hope are just a part of the hotel's growing pains and will be addressed for future guests. Other dining establishments that will be opening soon are Mexican steakhouse Toca Madera, French restaurant Chardon, Medusa Mediterranea, an elevated supper club Buck 40, and Maven Coffee. The best feature of the hotel is the stunning 1-acre pool deck on the 7th floor. Relax and unwind in a cabana while enjoying drinks from the bar and taking in spectacular views of downtown Houston. If you're looking to pamper yourself, stop by the Thompson Spa on the 6th floor. Rejuvenate your body and relax your mind with a massage, facial, and various body treatments. There's no excuse to skip your fitness routine as the hotel has a 24-hour gym with various cardio machines and strength training equipment. It's a decent-sized gym located on the 6th floor where you can enjoy great views of downtown Houston while working out. If the hotel gym is not enough for you, guests also have access to EOS Fitness just beside the hotel. I stopped by to check it out and was surprised how busy it was on a Saturday evening. Thompson Houston has over 17,000 square feet of space to host your events and meetings of all sizes. During our stay, there was a wedding taking place on the spectacular pool deck with the reception taking place at one of the banquet rooms with great views of the city. Hotel guests can use the complimentary bikes located by the valet. We rode them around Buffalo Bayou Park for an hour, which was a fun way to explore the area and burn some calories. The hotel also offers free rides within a 3-mile radius. It's only for drop-off and not available for pickup. We were excited to visit this new property and we had a good stay. The hotel is beautiful with a great staff who are friendly and welcoming. We would stay here again if we were in the area and recommend you check out this great new hotel. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.